Speak English fluently. From broken sentences to confident conversations. Do you know that a baby learns over 1,000 words in their first year just by listening? But many adults spend years learning English and still can't speak fluently. What's the secret? Why does it take so long for us adults to speak English naturally? Today, I'm going to reveal a simple, powerful system that will take you from broken English to fluent speech step by step. And I promise you'll never look at learning English the same way again. Fluency Blueprint's Step-by-Step Guide to Confident English. Fluency Myth Busted. Let's bust a big myth first. Fluency is not about using difficult words. It's about being clear, confident, and natural. Even native speakers use simple words in daily life. Example: can you make a sentence quickly? Sure. I ate pizza for lunch. Fluency speed plus clarity plus confidence. Step 1. Listen like a baby. Babies learn by listening. You should too. Choose one English TV show, podcast, or YouTube channel and watch it daily. Example: watch a short scene from Friends or The Office and repeat the lines with the same tone. This builds your natural rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence structure without boring grammar drills. Repeat after me. Could you help me with this? Step to copy like an actor. Actors don't learn lines word by word. They copy tone, emotion, and style. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hi, I'm learning English, and I'm getting better every day." Say it with confidence. Smile. Do this daily for 5 minutes. Fluency is also about how you feel when you speak. Step 3. Speak before you're ready. Fluency doesn't come when you're ready. It comes when you start speaking. Even if it's not perfect, start small. I like tea. I go to the market. She is my friend. Then expand. I like tea because it relaxes me after work. Practice short sentences first. Add details later. It's like building a muscle. Step 4. Think in English. Do you still translate in your head? That slows you down. Trick: describe things around you in English. Example: I see a red chair. It looks soft. I want to sit on it. Do it daily while walking, cooking, or brushing your teeth. Step 5. Make English a daily habit. Fluency is not a one-day miracle. It's a daily habit. Your daily 20-minute routine. 1. Listen to English audio for 5 minutes. 2. Repeat phrases like an actor for 5 minutes. 3. Talk to yourself or record your thoughts in English for 5 minutes. 4. Write one short paragraph daily, journal style. Do this for 30 days and your fluency will skyrocket. Bonus fact that surprises everyone. Did you know? The average fluent speaker only uses about 3,000 words daily out of over 170,000 words in English. So don't try to learn everything. Focus on the most common words and phrases. Learn phrases like, "I'm not sure. That sounds great. Let me think about it." These build natural conversations fast. Motivation boost. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need daily action, repetition, and confidence. Speak today, not someday. Mistakes are part of the journey. Even native speakers make them. Say this with me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I will speak fluently. Yes, you will. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and comment below. I will speak fluently. Want a free 30-day speaking practice challenge? Comment challenge me, and I'll send it your way. Fluency isn't a dream. It's a habit. Let's make it together.